In today's video, I'll show you how to add color swatches in Pagefly on Shopify to improve how product variants are displayed for your customers. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account so you have access to your store dashboard. Before continuing, make sure your product already has variants set up, since color swatches work with product variants. Next, open the product page you want to edit using the Pagefly editor. Inside the editor, locate the product variant element on your page and click on it to open its settings. In the settings panel, scroll to the section called Extra Functions. Here, enable the swatch option and click Manage to customize your swatches. In the pop-up window, click Add Option Swatch and choose the variant option you want to display, such as color. You can then decide how the swatch should appear. Select color if you want to use color codes, or choose variant image if you already have images assigned to each variant in Shopify. If you choose the color option, make sure your product variants in Shopify are set up with accurate color values. If you choose variant images, Pagefly will automatically pull those images from Shopify. Once you're happy with your swatch setup, click Save and then publish your product page to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully added color swatches to your Pagefly product page, giving shoppers a clearer and more interactive way to select product variants. Thanks for watching and happy selling.